What hidden loan agreement clauses lead to repossession? Imagine thinking you're safe because you're making your payments, only to find out a hidden clause in your loan agreement could take your property away. That's why understanding what's in your contract is so important. Many loan agreements include terms that borrowers don't see or fully understand, and these can lead to repossession if you're not careful. Let's look at some of the sneaky clauses that can cause trouble. One common hidden clause is called cross-collateralization. This means one asset, like your car, secures multiple loans with the same lender. So, if you miss a payment on your credit card or another loan with that bank, your car could be repossessed even if you are current on that specific loan. These clauses are often buried deep in the fine print, and many borrowers don't realize they're tied to other debts. Another tricky clause is called an acceleration clause. This allows the lender to demand the full amount of the loan immediately if you default in any way. For example, missing a single payment or failing to keep insurance on your collateral can trigger this clause. Once activated, the lender can repossess your property much faster than if they had to wait for several missed payments. Loan agreements also include default and remedies sections. These outline what counts as default, like missing payments, filing for bankruptcy, or not maintaining insurance. If these sections are vague or overly broad, the lender might repossess your property for minor issues you didn't realize were defaults. For example, not paying a small fee or failing to update your contact information could be enough for repossession. Filing for bankruptcy triggers what's called an automatic stay, which stops most collection actions including repossession. But this protection isn't always absolute. If the lender repossessed your property before you filed or if you gave permission, the stay might not prevent the loss. Also, if you want to keep your collateral like a car, you generally need to keep making payments during bankruptcy. Knowing about these clauses helps you plan better. Before filing for bankruptcy, review all your loan documents carefully. Look for cross-collateralization, acceleration, and broad default clauses. This way, you can understand which debts might be affected and what assets are at risk. You might choose to surrender collateral to eliminate the debt or reaffirm the loan and keep the property. Getting legal advice is a smart move because these clauses can be complex and vary from one lender to another. A bankruptcy attorney can help you understand your options and protect your rights. Remember, the goal is to manage your debt wisely and avoid losing property unexpectedly. Being aware of these hidden clauses can make a big difference in your debt management plan and help you stay in control.